This is the sort of sewing I do when I need to do a bit of sewing, but I don't want to think about things a little bit too much. So what we're going to be doing is some scrap string blocks. So this is one I've made before, just with my scrap. So this is the block. So what you're going to need for this are some fabric strips, and then the other thing I use are 5-inch squares. We're doing these at 5 inches, so it finishes at 4.5. And these I've just cut from an old telephone directory, or you can of course get papers that are sort of ready-made for foundation piecing, which is in effect what we're using this for. So the first one I want is a light coloured strip, right side facing up. So I've got a couple of strips here that I've decided to use, grey on that side, and then my green is going to go on the other side. I'm just going to finger press that back out the way for the moment, and then I'm going to add my green strip. And then I'm just going to get my little clover seam press, open out the fabrics, and I just trim from the back, and I still give myself about 1/4 inch. And then we would just carry on. And there's the block